Hello friends, in this video we will learn about Responsibility Center. Under the Responsibility Accounting System, business organization is divided into the various functional unit refers to as the responsibility centers. A manager is entrusted with the responsibility of supervising the affairs of responsibility center, which includes amongst others preparation of the responsibility accounting reports. Means in a large organization divided into the various department like that finance department, HR department, marketing department, R&D department or production department. So every department have specific roles and responsibility, and according to his or her roles and responsibility they are making responsibility accounting reports. Such responsibility accounting reports are transmitted to the top level of management of the organization for taking a correct decision with regard to the various corrective measures. And the performance of the managers headings the responsibility center is measured on the basis of quality of the responsibility accounting reports received from the that center. It means कि जो भी अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं सभी अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अकाउंटिंग रिपोर्ट्स बनाते हैं और वो टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट को भेज देते हैं. उसको एनालिसिस करने के बाद से वो लोग अपना डिसीज़न लेते हैं, एनालिसिस करते हैं कि क्या पोजीशन है बिजनेस की, कैसा चल रहा है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो लोग डिसीज़न लेते हैं. The inputs of the responsibility center pertaining a manufacturing organization consist of raw material, labor, overheads, etc., whereas the outputs are the manufacturing finished goods. Such outputs are measurable as against the input of the responsibility center against engaged in services like that account, finance, advertisement, human resource, etc., which are rather difficult to measure. Here we can see the setting up of responsibility centers. The first step of setting up the responsibility center is an organization is to divide the entire organization into smaller unit or divisions according to their functions like that marketing, finance, production, human resource development, etc. And such division refers to as a responsibility center and are headed by the managers who are entrusted with appropriate responsibilities. In this diagram, we can see the whole organization are divided into the small divisions like that marketing department, finance department, research and development department, production department, human resource development department. This is the organizational structure of the organization. Now we can see types and classification of responsibility centers. So there are 4 classification of the responsibility center. First is revenue income center, second expense or cost center, profit center and investment center. So let's see what is the revenue income center. Revenue center is the responsibility center that is directly responsible for producing products, services that are sold to the external buyers. Such centers are also known as the producing center or operating centers. Revenue center not only incur their own traceable cost but are also assigned the cost of other responsibility centers that they benefit from. Notice that the terms revenue centers has a broader meaning of the context in the internal service cost allocation, that it has the classification of the responsibility centers for reporting purpose. These centers are marketing organization and they are not directly responsible for the profit. The main objective of revenue center is maximize revenue. Expense and cost centers. An expense centers is the center is a cost center with the output that cannot be easily measured. in this center we are try to find out the fixed cost of the budget, and according to that budget we are producing output of that product and services. We try to reduce our cost and make more production. Now we can learn about profit center. Profit center is the segment of the business which is responsible for the cost it incurs as well as the revenue it generates. It should be able to identify all the costs pertaining to the profit center and revenue it generates. A profit center should have operational independence, and manager of a profit center should be free to make a decision to regard to the purchase of the material, economic and outsides of the volume production.